Did you know the jungle is home to more secrets than we can imagine? Stick around. These jungle facts will blow your mind. First up, the Amazon jungle alone produces 20% of the world's oxygen. That's why it's often called the lungs of the earth. Some plants in the jungle grow so fast, you could actually hear them. Bamboo, for example, can grow up to 3 feet in just one day. And get this, the jungles are full of hidden life. Scientists believe we've only discovered a fraction of the animals and insects living there. There could be millions of species we don't even know about yet. One of the strangest? Sloths in the jungle move so slowly that algae grows on their fur, turning them green and helping them hide from predators. So next time you think of the jungle, remember, it's not just wild, it's a living, breathing world full of wonders we're still uncovering.